If you're planning to invest in the stock market, there is a good news for you because three companies have come up with an IPO this week. Check out the full video to get the details and a brief company analysis. The IPO details are on your screen, and the minimum investment required for any of these three companies for the retail investors is around 15,000 rupees. To know more details, you may pause the video and have a look at it. There is a misconception for many retail investors that applying for shares on the first day of IPO itself will increase the chances of allotment in case of oversubscription. But that's not the case. In case of an oversubscription, shares are allotted based on a lottery system, and hence it purely depends on luck. And here's a small tip. To increase the chances of getting allotment of shares in case of oversubscription, it is advised to apply through different Demat accounts instead of applying for all the required lots through only one Demat account. Let's start with the analysis part, beginning with CAMS. Fundamentals are good, the growth prospects is high, competition is very less, the management is good and stable. Coming to the valuation, it's slightly higher. Moving on to ChemCon. The fundamentals are strong, the growth prospects are high, competition is very less, the management is not good. SEBI has taken action against the promoters relating to the insider trading and takeover regulations. There are even ongoing corruption charges against one of the promoters. Coming to the valuation is a reasonable one. Moving on to the third company, the Angel Broking. Fundamentals are moderate, growth prospects are moderate, competition is very high, management is good, and coming to the valuation, it's slightly higher. If your intention is to get the listing gains, it's very important to check the subscription status before you make an informed decision. CAMS and ChemCon are oversubscribed as on 22nd September, whereas Angel Broking is subscribed 0.76 times as on 22nd September, being its first day. In order to decide whether it's good enough to invest in the IPO of these three companies, let's move on to a final segment. If your intention is to hold for the long term, CAMS might be a good choice, considering the growing mutual fund industry in India, which will have a direct impact on its revenue and profit.